In this video, you can watch how the little water is coming through the washing machine inlet. To be, as I have shown, this is washing machine water inlet. The water is not going inside the machine. The water is coming very little. This is the water inlet. When the water enters into the machine, it comes through this area and again it will fall into the drum for washing purpose. Most probably the commonmost problem, the general problem will be at the inlet only. We will open this and we will check how the condition of the filter. Why? Because it is having one filter. So if there is any dust inside the water which is going inside the machine, that filter will stop up to some microns. We will open this and we will see how the condition of the water filter is. Now I am opening this. When you open, this is the filter. See, already there is lot of dust and it is clogged. I will remove it now. See, use the simple cutting plate. See, it is full of dust and you can have a look how the inside look of this. There will be a seating. This is the seating. This is the seating. This is called seating and it will go like that. Now I will clean this. Now you can clean this. See this much. This much dust is very enough to block the inlet. Take the toothbrush and clean it thoroughly. In one direction. Not like this, in one direction. See, it's almost all clean. Turn it. Now apply water in reverse direction. Put water from this direction, not from this direction. The cleaning standard of the filter must be like this. It must be thoroughly cleaned. See how clean it is. Place the filter. After placing the filter, put this inlet hose. There should not be any mismatch in the threads. You final tight it when everything is over. If you want the hose to be in this direction, keep the hose, hold the hose like this and you can tight it. When you tight in this position, the hose won't move. Suppose if you want to tight the hose in this direction, hold the hose like this and tight it. Now the hose won't move. You must know this. To the direction of the pipe, we will connect it to the tap and we will check how the water is getting inside the machine, whether it is coming with force or not. You can clearly see how fast and steady the flow of water to the tub is. The cleaning standard of the filter must be as I did. Now your washing time will be fast and the washing will be accurate.